Good evening everyone. We are just going to show a technique of how we follow the myofascial release of upper neck. And before showing the technique, I just want to say, if a client or patient come to you or come to us with neck pain and the other issues, we are going through the conventional physio methods. But my personal opinion, if we apply this technique prior to any kind of other physio module system or other things, it might help to reduce the symptom of the patient from the first visit. Now I am going to show how myofascial release of upper trapezius and the levator scapulae can be done on patient. And there is a huge difference between stretching and myofascial release. This is myofascial release, not stretching. Myofascia is the covering of the muscle and which need only to 30% of stretch, not full stretch, and the pressure should be 2 to 4 Newton of pressure. Now the patient should be placed in supine comfortable position and the therapy should be at the head end with back straight, comfortable sitting position. And now I'm just holding this shoulder girdle to off the shoulder uplift, which is the upper trapezius can elevate the shoulder, and I'm just side bending the neck, which is main focus of myofascial release, and holding for 45 seconds. This is for upper trapezius and that should be continued for 5 repetitions. Now I am going to show the myofascial release for the levator scapulae. Levator scapulae is C1 to C4 transverse process up to the superior angle of the scapula, and that is the comfortable sitting prone supine position, and already scapula is fixed. I just need to rotate the head, focused area just opposite and side flexion. Rotation and just side flexion. Before that, I am stabilizing the shoulder girdle. Just 20% stretch, holding for 45 seconds. 2 to 4 Newton of the magnitude of the pressure. Very much. This myofascial release technique I am just going to apply for the upper trapezius and levator scapulae, and that can be applied for the different parts of the other myofascia. And thank you.
দুই তিন চার পাঁচ ছয় সাত আট নয় 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. এক দুই তিন চার পাঁচ ছয় সাত আট নয় দশ এগারো বারো তেরো চোদ্দ পনেরো ষোলো সতেরো আঠারো উনিশ কুড়ি একুশ বাইশ তেইশ চব্বিশ পঁচিশ ছাব্বিশ সাতাশ আঠাশ উনত্রিশ 30। এক দুই তিন চার পাঁচ ছয় সাত আট নয় দশ এগারো বারো তেরো চোদ্দ পনেরো ষোলো সতেরো আঠারো উনিশ কুড়ি একুশ বাইশ তেইশ চব্বিশ পঁচিশ ছাব্বিশ সাতাশ আঠাশ উনত্রিশ 30।
Hello, good afternoon to everyone. I am Moinakshu, the Chief Consultant of Therapy or Physiotherapy Clinic. Today I have got a patient who has a pain in neck region and which is mainly occurs rotating the neck towards left side and also feels pains during the neck flexion and basically to operate the mobile for a prolonged time. With the history of his present illness, on 15 September of 2019, after close checkup, he got a pain over posterior triangle of neck and the trapezius muscle. In the past history, no such relevant history found. And during the observative examinations, what I found, I got a nodule on middle trapezius middle fiber, and after that, the range of motion of the all neck movement has been maintained, but during the neck rotation towards left side, we felt pain at the end range of motion. Basically, trapezius myofascial trigger point has been found, and my goal of this treatment would be first pain relief, and second thing is to reduce the nodule and to remove the trigger point. So, in the management of, I am going to demonstrate the bilateral gross stretch of middle trapezius. So let's start.
স্টার্ট হলো এবার হ্যাঁ স্টার্ট হলো
So in this technique, basically the position of the patient will be prone lying, and the therapist position should be like this, and my hypothenar eminence would be over the medial border of the scapula, and it's a crossover maneuver, and I should apply the pressure towards outward direction like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Stop.
My patient name is Pallavi Ghosh and the age is 22 years. She is a college student. Daily she have to carrying so much heavy weight. That's why she faced both side upper trapezius tightness on both side, and the lateral on the lateral side, but right side shoulder there is a upper trapezius tightness, also the trigger point present. That's why I gave her bilateral gross stretch of upper trapezius for 8 sittings. Now I will describe how to apply the technique over the patient. কত সেকেন্ড হলো রে? So the technique, bilateral gross upper, come closer to me, bilateral gross upper trapezius technique. Patient position is supine lying, and distance between patient head and my chair is close. Now I place my hand over there. My thenar eminence should be placed on the abdomen process, and the finger will place over the spine of the scapula. Now I will give the downward and outward pressure. This will maintain for 30 seconds, and I gave her for 5 to 6 repetition to 3 to 4 times. Now I apply for the 8 sitting. Now the trigger point tightness is full clear, or there is no tightness over there, and the trigger point not properly solved, but 90% are solved there and 10% are more. Then I have to give more sitting. I think it will be trigger point will release so fast. Thank you.
The patient, 5 years male, working as a medical representative. He has suffering from unilateral neck pain, mainly the right side, without any radiation from last 7 days. On examination, there is a trigger point and muscle tightness over the upper trapezius muscle border. For the treatment of this condition, I am going to apply the unilateral gross stretch of upper trapezius and unilateral focal stretch for upper trapezius. For unilateral gross upper trapezius test, patient position will be the supine and therapist hold will be the superior nuchal line is on the one hand and other hand is on the shoulder girdle, and apply opposite force and hold for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And do this step for 5 to 6 repetition and 3 to 4 set. For unilateral focal stretch for upper trapezius, patient position will be supine and therapist hand will be lateral to the trigger point and or insertion of the trapezius muscles. And direction of the pull will be towards the insertion of the trapezius muscles. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat 3 to 4 repetition and 3 to 4 set. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,